So hello guys, welcome to the Python lecture. In this lecture, we will learn about how to take user input data. Okay. Until now, we have taken the data of our variable itself in our program. Let me show you an example of predefined variable that we have taken till now. So we just have to take a variable name and give a value of any data type of your choice, and now print the value of a. See, we got our output. Okay. Now for taking data from the user, we just have to use a input function. Okay, let me show you how to use input function to taking data from the user. Just define a variable and give equal to input function. See, in the next line it will ask user to type a data or type a value. Okay, then we have to print a value of b. See, we got our value 100, which is a data input by the user. Okay, so as we have seen, after taking the input function, it asks user to give the input, but sometimes user don't get what we have to do in the output. So for making it meaningful, we just add some string in the input function. Okay, let me show you how to do that and make it meaningful. Now see, it is asking to enter a number, then user will get it. We have to type a number, so we write an input and now printing the value of c. See, we got our output. For making it some more meaningful, or we can also play with our codes to make our output so good looking. So we can use also semicolon, colon. Okay, let me show you once. Here we can also take our input in the next line by just adding a skip sequence after our string. Okay, let me show you. Just see our input wants in our next line, so we will print it now, the value of a. So we get our output. Clear? Always keep in mind that input function takes input as a string. Whatever we give input in our input function, like integer, a string, float number, or any data type, it will act as a string. Let me show you one example by adding the two inputs. Print x plus y. See, we got 10, 20, not 30, because here x and y is a string. So for getting the actual output of the sum, we need to typecast here. So we add int before the variable. So see, we get the output 30. Okay. If we don't want to do the typecast in our print function, so we can also take our input as a string, int or float, whatever you want. So just add the data type before the input function. Let me show you by taking is a is equal to int and then write input function, enter number 1. Likewise second variable we will get. Okay, now we will print the value a and b. So see, we get the sum 600. Okay, now here the variable a and b will convert it to the integer. Okay. As I also discussed that we can also add our variables with some string in the print function. So let me show you once again. Write first number a, second number is b, and sum is a plus b. So see, we got our final output that first number is 100, second number is 500, and sum is 600. So that's it. Hope it's clear to all how to take inputs from the user, or how to convert our user input into any data types. Okay, so keep practicing. If anyone have any doubt, then comment below. I will help you out. Okay, hope to see you in the next lecture. Bye bye. Have a good day.